Just unboxing the new fan from Parts Avatar. Some extra cardboard. Had to cut the video because it looks like it was very sealed on this piece of cardboard. Open it up. Yep, looks to be identical to the OEM spec. In comparison, this is the fan that I'm replacing. Absolutely seized on one side, could barely even move that with one hand, versus this was a lot easier. Well, got in there without too much of a fuss. Tip is I just usually started with the left side first, dipped it in, and lined up the holes. You might have some issues with some of the hoses getting in the way, so you might have to play around with just pushing those out of the way while you seat the fan in there. As you see, it does come with the fan module, which is great. I thought it was a separate part. So you just, after you finish clipping in the one bolt there and another bolt there, two 10mm nuts. Pretty straightforward process. Just gotta clip in this gray connector. I found that I had to lift it up a little bit because it's kind of a tight fit between that black plastic on the bottom and the module itself, but this connector seems secure in there. Just gotta tidy up by putting these hoses back out of the way, putting the reservoir back, and we should be good to go for testing. Okay, now that the fan is installed, we're going to try the fan test procedure, which is the diagnosis mode for Z's and G's. So just make sure the car is on. Then I'm going to hit the side door latch button 10 times. And apparently, you just turn this cart back off. And back on again. Nope. You'll see it's already started. So, I'm just gonna head out. And we'll wait to see if fans get going. And you can see in here that it definitely kicked on there, whereas before I had no action from this fan right here. Yep, I think we're good. Yep, driver's side is definitely spinning, and passenger side definitely spinning. Versus before, I just had the passenger side spinning. And looks like we're good. Just because I didn't explain it earlier, but when you're just when you're installing the fan with the controller on the back, when you go in through the front, I angled it with the left side in first, and then seated it. So you just needed to wiggle both sides until it drops right in, and it should line up with the two bolt holes pretty easily.